It's a great feeling when you receive a surprise gift. My wife asked me yesterday if I had ordered something. She gets the post office informed delivery emails, and we were getting a package, but I hadn't ordered anything, so I had forgot about it until last night when I took the trash out and checked the mailbox. To my surprise, it was this gift from Olight celebrating their Facebook group's 8th anniversary. Let's take a look and see what they sent. Came with this really nice handwritten card. Card reads, "Dear OFan, as we celebrate 8 years of our Facebook group, we're filled with gratitude for every one of you. Together, we have created a vibrant and inclusive space where friendships flourish and dreams are realized. Thank you for being the heartbeat of Olight. Yours, Olight Marty." So that was very nice. And it's very rare that you actually get a handwritten thank you note anymore. Came in this nice box, which is Olight's standard high quality packaging. Let's take a look at what's on the inside. Looks like a bottle cap button pin. All right, so it's a bottle cap pin. It says Olight Flashlights Official 2024 8th Anniversary. Okay, it also came with this box. It says I thanks. The box says thank you. Has a thank you card in there. Your unwavering support fills us with gratitude. May this I thanks illuminate your world with joy and brightness. All right. So it's an I thanks keychain flashlight. So this is a customized version of the i1R2 Pro keychain flashlight. This one has engraved in it I thanks. Has the 8th anniversary screen printing. And then it has Olight printed on the side. If I remember correctly, this light is USB-C chargeable. It has IPX8 rating, and it has 2 modes. It has a low mode, which is 5 lumen and lasts for 12 hours. And it has a high mode that is 180 lumen and lasts for 23 minutes. So here's a comparison to a i1R2 Pro. So that was really nice for Olight to send that out. Very surprised to get that in the mail. It's one of the reasons I really like Olight as a company, as they have a great rewards program. You always get a free gift in your order, and they send nice surprises like this, just out of the blue. So thank you, Olight, for sending that. I do appreciate it. So that was a really nice gift that they sent. I don't know how many that they sent out of these, but please let me know in the comments below if you have received this version or if you have received other gifts from Olight in the past. I'd love to hear about what they've sent out to other customers. And thanks to Olight for sending this out. You can watch my other Olight flashlight reviews in the playlist here.